Hey, it's Samantha with a Wealthy Hairstylist. Join me in the break room while my assistant and I create the perfect hair color and extension formula for my client. I'll show you how we customize each step to design a look just for her. Ready to boost your profits behind the chair? Visit awealthyhairstylist.com today.
Alrighty, we are back in the break room. So my client is getting 2 rows of brand new hair of 24-inch extensions. And so I have my assistant Lisha here. We are going to mix up. I consulted with the client, so we are definitely touching up her regrowth. She is blonde, but she still likes to be a little bit rooty, and she likes the more warmer golden blonde. It goes really well with her skin tone. So we are going to do a full weave. However, in the back, I'm not going to pack in her foils. We're going to do thin little slices, and we're going to leave about 2 fingers width of depth in between because I do like her to have some of her natural hair to fall underneath. And then I'm going to pack in the brightness around her face for foiling. So we're going to do a full weave today. So I like to write all my notes down in my book. Let's just stick to 10 and 20 volume, I think. So we'll do bleach and 10, 20 volume, equal parts. And then we're going to add a spray. It's a treatment that you can put in bleach or color. It's similar to Olaplex, but what's great about this is it does not make the processing time longer. So the color and bleach processes at the same amount of time as what the developer that you choose. So that is great. And we prepped her hair with the K18 mist. So we'll do the bleach in 10 and 20 volume equal parts, and then her wefts. We're gonna root all weft. So we're gonna do 7 N shades and probably like 15 mLs, and then 5 N, we'll do 5 mLs. We're gonna do 6 volume with the developer, and we're gonna root smudge all the wefts to add a little bit more depth to it. And then tone wise, I love the color the way it is. I don't think I necessarily want to tone the wefts right now. The color is like perfect. It's not too bright blonde where I have to mute it down to where, you know, sometimes it comes in and it looks a little too fake, too blonde, but these are very soft, natural, cool, and I love the look of it.
Check out these stunning 24-inch wefts. Aren't they amazing? My client loves golden tones and they complement her perfectly. In the after video, you'll see I refreshed her regrowth, added soft framing highlights, and finished with a root tap for a natural grow out. I'm loving how this transformation turned out.